Hey guys, now in today's video, we're taking a look at the brand new Piston Buds Pro. If you've been a fan of the Piston Buds lineup, you'll want to check out this upgrade. Let's go and check it out. Now, the Piston Buds Pro have been improved significantly. One of the areas that I find that is the most significant is the Quiet Max active noise canceling. That's going to cancel out up to 38 dB of noise. Also, we have 7.5 hours of usage with these, with active noise canceling off, 22 hours with the case, and that's going to give you a total of 30 hours worth of usage. Now, for those of you using active noise canceling, expect 5 hours of usage, 15 hours with the case, giving you a total of 20 hours of experience. Now, these do have a 5-minute quick charge that's going to give you 1 hour battery life. Now, they do feature hybrid active noise canceling. They have 4 mics, all right, that are going to assist with, again, calls and the active noise canceling, transparency mode. They also have this wind noise reduction mode, low latency gaming modes, which is going to be great for those of you who want to use this for gaming, 10mm dynamic drivers, Bluetooth 5.2, and IPX5. So let's go ahead and check them out. Now, the earbuds are really similar to the previous generation, as we open this up, you'll notice that the case itself allows them to lock into place really nicely. This is important to me because I have actually lost earbuds because the cases just open up too easily, or they don't have good magnets, and this one definitely has that. We're going to take these both out. They do have stems, as you can see here, and then these are non-physical tap areas that you'll use when you want to go ahead and, again, answer a call, raise the volume, skip music. All those settings we'll see in the app in a couple seconds. So this is what they look like. They go in your ear. We'll go ahead and position it right here so you can see what they look like. So as I turn right and as I turn left, what you'll see is that the profile for these is relatively thin. So they're not going to stand out significantly. Obviously, because these are white, they pop out a little bit because of the color of my skin. But once again, they have a really thin profile. Now, one of the things I really like about these is the passive noise canceling. As soon as you put these in, it has a really good seal, even with the actual gel pieces that came standard with the product. So I didn't have to switch them, and I had a great seal. Now, when you turn on active noise canceling, it gets even better. And then also the transparency mode is good too. Now, the transparency mode is not going to give you super hearing. It has pretty much standard transparency mode, but it's good and it doesn't sound digital. So what about the audio? How do these sound? Well, from an audio perspective, these sound really good. Bass, mids, and highs are present. You do have an EQ that you'll see in a second that does support bass boost, which is what I prefer. But what I'll say is I find that these favor mids. So as you think about the highs and you think about bass, it's right in the between. So even with the bass off, I found that it's a little bit more favoring the mid section when it comes to, the audio spectrum. Now, it is going to give you an immersive experience, no doubt.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings down. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way.
Now, next we're going to do a call quality test of the Piston Buds Pro in a quiet environment. If we take a look at our decibel readings, well, 23 decibels in noise. It's going to switch. Now, this is what the Piston Buds Pro would sound like in a quiet environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Let's go add some wind. This is what the Piston Bros would sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, we've added some significant noise to the environment. As you can see here, anywhere between 50 and 79 decibels in noise. What we're going to do is we're going to switch to the Piston Buds. We're going to stay quiet to see how much noise is canceling, and then we'll continue with the audio test. Let's go to switch. Now, this is what the Piston Pros would sound like in a noisy environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, if you're wondering what they would sound like with an infant crying in the background, well, this is what they're going to sound like with an infant crying in the background. If you're wondering what they sound like with a dog barking in the background, well, this is what they would sound like with a dog barking. Now, if you're wondering what they sound like with a doorbell ringing, well, this is what a doorbell ringing. Now, as you take a look at the app, you'll find a lot here. And 1More is really mature app when it comes to their earbuds. And you can see here that I can have my transparency mode. I can turn on active noise canceling and have various settings. I have strong, I have mild. I can turn on my wind reduction. And as I continue to choose each one of these, I'll get each one of these will shift and I hear this little ring in my ear. In this case right now, I can also choose adaptive. So I have it back on strong. I can choose again transparency mode. And then the transparency mode is going to allow me to hear what's going on around. I can choose off. And then basically what I'm going to get here is pretty much just the passive noise canceling when you have these on. Now, you do have, again, a lot of different playbacks. So, for example, here I can turn on where it auto pause and play, or no smart auto pause. You also then have sound options, and this is where I was mentioning that I have my bass boost on because I prefer the bass signature the most. You do have then spatial audio, which I forgot to mention, which is really nice. And that's going to give you, again, as you're moving left and right, it gives you a fully immersive experience. You then have low latency gaming if that's something that you want to enable, firmware that you can update, and then you also have the soothing sounds. I find that the soothing sounds, if you're wondering when you use this, hey, if you want to go to sleep with these, and these really don't crush your ear that badly, but I've used the soothing sounds like when I'm on a plane, I just want to rest on the plane, turn this thing on, knocks me out. So that's a great feature. And then you see right here, your battery levels. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.